Tools. You need tools to load enclosures, boxes. You need tools to implement the woofers. You need tools to service your woofers. Let's go over some of these tools today. Right here, we have Electrician Stripper. In the 12-volt world, these are also known as crimpers. There's a lot of names for these. The reason why we call them crimpers is because there's a notch here and a hollow gap here so that we can crimp down and collapse the plastic jacket on a butt connector or terminal connector and make the metal center sleeve collapse on the wire so you have that positive connection. Also, in the hands of an experienced 12-volt technician, we can use this to cut wire and to strip wire. We don't need a separate stripper. This is our all-in-one tool, and this is probably one of the most important tools you'll find in the kit of any 12-volt installer, or any electrician for that matter. The next tool we have is, for all you smart asses out there, scissors. Now, you're wondering, why would a professional show scissors? Well, not everyone out there has a set of crimpers. Scissors are what you'll usually find in the hobbyist household. With care, it can be used to trim the perimeter of the jacket of a wire, of an exposed wire, to strip and bare the bare metal, the center section of the jacketed wire. That allows us to do a connection. The next tool I like to go over is what you'll find at Radio Shack, Sears. It's the multi-purpose stripper crimper. What this allows you to do, just put the sleeved wire right in here, these two knuckles, push and separate down on the wire, and makes a perfectly cut and separated stripped wire. It also has a basic crimper on the bottom. This is mostly used in automotive shops and for the hobbyists that wanted an easier way to cut wire and to have a tool that's more accessible to strip wire with. And we'll go over some more tools here in a minute.